Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I'll follow up on that pre-war motor that had that slipping wheel. We tightened it up by scoring the axle with a pair of nippy cutters. Anyway, I just dropped it back into this shell. Now, when I discovered that wheel was loose, this locomotive would not pull this consist. It sat there and spun and moved it right around the curve and stalled. It just sat there and spun. So obviously something was wrong. That's when I discovered that wheel was loose. Anyway, just got that pressed back on, got the motor installed, and as you see, the problem is solved. So didn't even need to use the wheel puller on this one. That wheel was so loose I pulled it off with my fingers. Now as you see, it is no longer slipping on the axle. No glue, no muss, no fuss. A couple of bites in that axle with a nippy cutter or side cutter, a pair of dikes, wire strippers, wire cutters, whatever you have that can put a dent in that steel. Anyway, just scored in a couple of spots and that wheel will press back on and will stay tight now forever. As you see, no slippage at all. It's working perfectly. So a really, really simple way to fix a slipping wheel on an axle. It only takes a minute. Best of all, of course, is just the fact that it works. So, in any case, just want to do a quick test to see how this is going to run. This is very well going to be my next project. I might strip this old Commodore Vanderbilt and repaint it. It is in absolutely dreadful condition, covered in rust. Anyway, I won't be ordering anything from eBay until very likely the end of February, when prices get back to normal and shipping straightens itself out. I'm not going to wait another 4 weeks. Anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up on this motor. As you see, it was a simple repair. It only took a second to do it. It's effective. It'll last virtually forever. So as I always stress, if you have a way to pull the wheels off and press them back on, a supply of parts, you can fix anything you can find. So anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.